Yeah. Yes. Yes, he's gone. I want that in the video. Okay. Here, you got me. I'm talking, yes. After we sort the working space, after Kevin, which is a great welder, but also a piglet, and opposite, I want to show you something, just to grab my hammer. Follow me. So, 7 days. You remember this was totally rotten. So Kevin did it. So farmers, look this. Brand new chassis, look this. And I want to show you a patch that somebody else did it before us. Oh, wow, look at this shit. So this is next. As I said, we're gonna reinforce the chassis so we can cut off this, whatever they are, as Kevin did here. You see all these parts are peeping out. The diff is secured by this stripe. I hope so. So the next level is this to be redone, and these levers will be back on the car. The car was for scrapyard according to the common sense, but that does not work in this workshop. Look this. So the front part is refurbished, de-rusted, painted, plastics are back. So this is the next stage of the job. So the diff is also de-rusted and painted. It was a bit on our way. We were thinking, okay, can we move the diff on the floor? In that case, we should disconnect all the brake pipes and handbrake and cause more cost to the customer and maybe damage something of it. So we decided to leave it where it is, and Kevin says that he can work around, and he really can. Next week, I'm gonna de-rust this area over there, change these few small sheets that are peeling off, which is minor job, and then we can focus on those two big parts over there, and basically then welding is done. Then we can paint the car and return everything where it was. Turn around, please. This is a hitch. We remove the hitch. The problem with this hitch is maybe these arms are a bit shorter. They should be longer, but anyway, we will make them work. Hitch is sandblasted, de-rusted, painted. The exhaust is over there. Shiny, fresh silver paint. So soon, our Land Cruiser will be ready to go. She's, as I said last time, 30 years old, and she will serve next 10 years. Thank you that you follow us. This video can be a good advert for us, and for you can be a good guidance what can be done on the car, even if the car is totally wrecked. So check it out. Thank you on your attention. Bye-bye.